Today, we're going to go over a different kind of meal to cook on trail. See if it's any good and if it would work on the trail. We've all done the mountain houses, hot dogs, all the noodles, etc. So, thought I'd start bringing you some recipes that I have just found on the internet. Trying them out, let me know what I think, see if they'll work for you. So hopefully it helps, but we're going to get into it. Stuffing, potatoes, turkey, and gravy. That is good. Idaho potatoes, instant, stovetop stuffing, turkey gravy, Tyson premium white chicken in a bag, and 2 Ziploc bags. Real quick, I'd like to throw a shout out to Chris. He hooked me up with some Amazon funds, courtesy of Chris. This is what we're looking at today. It is the TOAKS 750 hanging pot. We're running out of jet oil fuel. Can hang this over the fire. Pretty excited to give this baby a try. Just came today. And since my wife might probably shoot me if I did a campfire inside the house, today we're going to use the BRS little stove with just some fuel. These things are pretty cool. They're about 20 bucks on Amazon or less. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. But it is titanium. You can see how small it is. And before I had a jet boil, this was my go-to. So you just simply fold those up like that. Just a little guy, weighs nothing. Comes in a cool little bag, takes up no room. It's a great little backup and affordable option. That's what it looks like. First, we'll be doing the potatoes. We just have some instant potatoes from Idaho in a freezer Ziploc bag. Next up, stovetop stuffing, also in a freezer bag. Next up, turkey gravy, 1 cup of water, and some chicken. Starting to get a little boil on the gravy and chicken. Just gonna let that simmer. Then we'll stir it in here and see what we got. I'm getting excited. It smells like Thanksgiving in here. Seriously. Pretty sure I would not be sad eating this on the trail. There you have it. Turkey dinner. Stuffing, potatoes, turkey, and gravy. That is good. That is good. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share the heck out of it. My dog is saying hello to you and thank you for watching. But if you would like to see more videos like this, or if you have some recipes of your own that are easy to cook up on the trail, please share them in the comments. Maybe I'll make a video about your recipe. But I hope this helps. It is definitely delicious. So have fun, stay safe, and get out and get some adventure, baby.